What we have on this page when we're talking about ordered pairs are a few definitions. The first thing we have is we have what's called an X. We have an X and a Y axis, and where they cross is called the origin. And we have quadrants that are created, quadrants, where we start with this first quadrant in the positive, and then we have a second, third, and fourth. In an ordered pair such as this, we also have the x-coordinate, which is the first number, and we have the y-coordinate, which is the second number. If we're plotting these coordinates, we start by going with the x-coordinate, like we see here, and we then move up to the y, or we could go left and down. So if we're going to plot the points, and let's start with the first one, we're going to go to the left 3 spots, and then up 5, and we have our dot. So if we are going to do the next one, we go over 2, because it's the first number, and then we go down to the 4, and we have our dot there. The second one. Looking at our third one, we go to the right 5, but we don't go up at all. So our dot ends up right on the line. And then we look at our next one where we go left to the 5, but we go down 2. And so we end up at this spot for the yellow. Then we have our E, which is, we don't go left to right because it's a 0, but we go up to the 4. So we have this dot. And then finally, we have our origin, which is just 0, 0. To determine whether an ordered pair is a solution, you plug in the first one for x and the second one for y. So if we put a 2 in for this and substitute and put our -3, we want to see if this is a true statement. So if I do the math here, 2, this is a positive, 12, the 2, we do get 14. So this is a solution. So now let's check to see if this is a solution. So I'm going to put 12 in for the x and 1 in for the y. So I put 12 and I put a 1 in for the y, and I see if this is a true statement. Well, this is 12, that's a -4, which happens to be 8. This is not equal, so this is not a solution. So to graph using the point plotting method, here's our equation, y equals 3x. To do that, you can pick any x values you want. And so you substitute them in, and after you substitute them in, you get a y value, each of these. So these are coordinates that then we would plot on our graph. So if I were going to do that for this problem, I would have my x values, I would have my equation, and then I would have my coordinates from the equation. So if I put in 0, I would get y equals 0, so I'd have 0, 0. Then I'm going to put in a positive, so I put a positive for the x, I get y equals 2, so I'd have 1, 2. Then I put in a negative number, so if I have y, and I have 2 with a -1, I get -1 is my x, and -2 is my y. So I have the 3 points that I can then graph on plot of the points. Now this problem right here is the same way, except the equation's a little different. It's 2x minus 2. So if I take my same thing, 0, I would get -2 as my y. If I put 1 in, I get 0. And if I put a -1 in, I get a -4. So I have 0, -2. I have 1, 0, and -1, -4. So there's my coordinates that I would use to plot my graph.